Four 3D artists made my Blue Lich character in their styles, and I think they are way better than mine. But why, and what can I learn from their designs and apply to mine? Let's check out these artists and what they did to my boy. Razzak. Many of you already know him from the interview or the Discord server for this YouTube channel, but for those who don't, Razzak is a 3D pixel artist with a very unique low poly style. He's very strong with pixel art, texture painting and color palettes. He makes pixel perfect, complex and clean characters. And somehow his character designs always feel like some kind of action figure to me. I mean, I would totally buy toys like that. His Lich totally leans into the retro gaming beach 90s Lich theme more than I ever did, so he clearly does his homework. He also just made for this little collab totally from scratch the Spider-Man meme environment, just for us. What a legend. Bravo. Bravo has a very painterly but clean style with minimalistic details. His characters' anatomies have subtle stylized proportions, and overall his visuals are very easy to read and are nice to look at. His Lich looks like a creepy Zelda NPC from Majora's Mask, and the shirt pattern is so nice. I wish something like that would be like possible to buy in real life. His low poly models would work nice on a small screen like the Nintendo DS or like phones. I would love a cozy indie game with his 3D models for my Switch or something like that. Shayling. Shay makes analog horror style videos and cartoonish low poly characters. Shay has a very strong, dark, mysterious and comedic creative voice, which is very visible in everything she does. She made my Lich look like a quirky low poly goblin and I freaking love it. The quirky, cute look was achieved by very stylized proportions and strong, simplified body parts like a Nintendo 64 mascot. I would really love to see more from her visual storytelling skills in the future, like an analog horror series or something in that direction. She got exactly what I and maybe others currently miss on YouTube and stuff, so please. Kapa Yoshi. Dude. His style is edge-lording hard in peak 90s fashion and I totally love it. Huge muscles, powerful body shapes and hard shadows. Kappa is working on a comic and clearly draws inspirations from comics and mangas, and also like translates these influences into his 3D work with his own twist. His Lich looks like an anime villain that becomes a companion in the second season or something like that. So, what did I learn from their versions of my Lich and what can I apply to my new version? Straight up, he needs to look more skull-like and less human, harder shadows, especially in the eye area. The shirt needs to be its own mesh and I want an overall vibe of quirky but creepy. And I need to be way cleaner with my textures and maybe reduce the colors more. And I need to stay more true to myself, because that's exactly why I loved their variants so much. You really could like feel their like the artist behind the character. But how and what is actually my style? Root of my style is that I focus with low poly 3D modeling on silhouettes and strong color combinations and vibrant colors, RGB colors. This is also noticeable in my, like when I paint or something like that, but I mean, I never paint. But I mean, I see in different kind of media also like the same like mindset. Anyway, so let's just take a look at how everything turned out. Well, I think it really captures like a more 90s 2000s theming with the especially with the posing and stuff like that, and the rendering. The first time he looks really like how I wanted him to look like, and it only like took other artists to make him so I can like see from a different perspective to figure that stuff out. And I mean, so far I went through 3 versions of my Blue Lich myself on this channel, and now after seeing more variants made by Shay, Kapa, Razzak and Bravo, I mean, they reminded me that sometimes I totally lose track of what I actually want to do. And with YouTube and this channel, all these depressing numbers and stuff, it's hard not to chase, you know, an algorithm or certain topics to stay on, you know, on top with the numbers and stuff. So I'm sometimes really scared of trying things because this channel wants me to stay in a niche, which is fine. But to do all of this like for a long period and in long term, I need to do it also for myself too, and have fun again like the artist I admire. Check out Shay, Kappa, and Razzak Bravo out on the socials. The links are below, and now watch another video.